Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find wallet address on Paxful. Wallet address identifies the wallet's location on your Paxful. To find wallet address on Paxful, you need to first open your Paxful application on your mobile phone. After this, you are asked to enter the PIN of your Paxful. After you enter the PIN, here you need to make sure that you are logged into your Paxful account, and then here you'll be taken to home page. Now you need to tap on wallet option on the side of home on down left corner. After this, here you can see receive option. Tap on receive option. With this, now here you need to select the cryptocurrency. By selecting a specific cryptocurrency, you'll be able to find wallet address of the specific cryptocurrency that you have chosen on Paxful. I am going on with BTC, which is Bitcoin. After this, now here you'll be able to find a small box with your QR code and your wallet address. You can also copy the wallet address. If you haven't verified your Paxful account, then you won't be able to find your wallet address. This is how we can find wallet address on Paxful. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.